Welcome to our video on 11 effective weight loss strategies backed by science. Losing weight can be a challenging journey, but with the right strategies, you can achieve your goals. In this video, we'll share 10 science-backed strategies that will help you lose weight and improve your overall health. If you are new to our channel, and found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video and click on the notification bell to get more videos from us and giveaways. Let's get started. Healthy eating. The first strategy is to focus on healthy eating. This means incorporating whole, nutrient-dense foods into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and foods high in sugar and saturated fat. Exercise. Exercise is another important strategy for weight loss. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day, such as brisk walking or cycling. Strength training is also important for building muscle and increasing metabolism. Sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for weight loss. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Hydration. Drinking enough water is important for weight loss. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Drinking water before meals can also help reduce calorie intake. Meal prep. Meal prepping is a great way to ensure you have healthy meals ready to go. Spend some time on the weekends preparing meals for the week ahead. Mindful eating. Mindful eating is the practice of paying attention to your food and eating without distractions. This can help you tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues, and prevent overeating. Portion control. Portion control is another important strategy for weight loss. Use smaller plates and bowls, and measure out your food to ensure you're eating appropriate portions. Self-care. Self-care is important for overall health and can also help with weight loss. Take time for activities that help you relax and de-stress, such as yoga, meditation, or a warm bath. Weight loss tips. There are many tips and tricks that can help with weight loss, such as keeping a food diary, avoiding liquid calories, and eating more protein. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for you. Be patient. Remember that weight loss is a gradual process, and it may take some time to see results. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Get support. Having support from friends, family, or a professional can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. Consider joining a support group or working with a dietitian or personal trainer. Thank you for watching our video on 11 effective weight loss strategies backed by science. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel empowered to make positive changes towards your health and wellness. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.